Hello, hello, hello. How are you today?
Name. What is your name?
I'm Paula.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Matthew.
What's your name?
What's the weather like?
It's rainy today. Cloudy today. No.
Today is sunny.
One. What number is it, Xavi? Two. Carla, what number is it? Carla? Three.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Number is it?
4.
What number is it? What number is it? What,
5.
what number is it?
1.
What number is it?
7. 8. 10.
What number?
Who is Mommy? Daddy? Who is he?
What is this, Martina? It's a taxi. It's a taxi. What is this?
Bag.
What is this, Irina?
It's a boat.
Head? Yes, head. Touch it. When you fish, head, swim, head. One head, legs, legs. Wow. When you fish, body. What is body? And that's body. Head, go, head. Head. Yes, Maria, well done. One more legs. 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 Head.
Safe at last, safe at last.